Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see the operation couldn't be completed. So how you can fix it? First thing you need to know when you just receive this message. What app after opening what app you just receive this message. So after you can also just try to tap on Apple logo, just choose restart and just submit restarting your computer. So after your computer will restart, just try to open your app again and use it. So if you still have this error, so just go to System Preferences. Now just open Software Update. Just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available updates for your system, just tap on Update Now and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your system. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.